Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story building on the western edge of the Commons. We're here today to see apartment 415, a studio on the 4th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll notice is your large hall closet on the right. Continuing into the apartment, you come to your kitchen with an electric oven and stove, a microwave, and a refrigerator. This is an example of an unfurnished apartment. You supply all your own furniture and arrange it however you like. In the living area, you'll see your second closet. Plenty of storage space in this apartment. Every studio has an air conditioner and a heating element. This apartment windows face east, and you have a limited view toward Green Street. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up or Uber Eats. We'll finish with the bathroom, which has a vanity, full wall mirror, and a shower tub combo. Rent for Commons West Studios includes your heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 415. Call us today for availability.